year to infinity and beyond. Let's travel. Mega Plaza in Bangkok. Just looking at toys and later big Legos. Can't wait for the fake Legos. Excited. Oh yeah. Fake Legos are just like the real Legos except just cheaper. And the book is usually pretty small. So let's go check it out. Place of my dreams. If my dreams involve Gundam. It's like Ultraman? What the hell is that? Look at that. Gundam in the boat. Here's the moment we've been waiting for. There it goes. Look, Legos. Which one you like? Oh, look at Harry Potter set. Can't even open it. And this set is huge, look at this. What is that? Some architecture. What's this? Lego Movie 3? Lego Movie 2? I've seen that Lego movie. I didn't see Lego Movie 2. Hello. Millennium Falcon.
ว่าไงจ๊ะ3,600
Yeah.
ได้ค่ะใส่ถุงให้น้อง
Iron Man.
เอาน้ำบัตรให้น้องมาด้วยนะ
What's this? What is this? 425 pieces. Huh. Looks really cool. See the Bumblebee one. Oh, look at that. What scale is this? 16 by 18 centimeter? Huh? What's the Spider-Man? So small. I don't know. I have to look. Oh, here. This one. Look, they got two. So cool. Yeah. I don't know how to ask. Oh, they got the Infinity Gauntlet. And the full Iron Man set. Oh, so cool. Spider-Man's car. I say Superman in Vietnamese. Let's look at that. The star. Yeah, Millennium Falcon. It's Chewie, still alive. I want to find the Ghostbusters firehouse Legos. Let's see if we can find it. If we find it, oh, I'm so getting it. Alright. Lego set. Simpsons. Oh, Simpsons set. I know someone who would like this. Oh, Wally. Yeah, but Wally, only 687 pieces. It's gotta be small. You got these city sets. Oh, look at this Star Wars Death Star. So huge. It's Obi-Wan. How you take it back to Vietnam? Look at this. Almost 12,000 pieces. The Star Destroyer. Oh, so tempted. Oh, it's pretty heavy too. I wonder how much this costs. Let's find out.
We did one.
Forever Red. Look how small they are in comparison to my finger. Forever Red. Oh, the whole set. Oh, the Zeo back there. Zeo here. This is for all the girls like the Disney princesses.
โอ้โหเนี่ยจะเสร็จแล้วตรงจมูกเนี้ยแบบอันนี้ที่อยากเป็นถ่ายกิจกรรมแบบแล้วนี่
Which one look like toy? This one? Or this one?
ถ้าเราพอไม่แน่นด้วยวันนั้นด้วยแล้วแบบว่าวันนั้นเนี่ยถ่ายรูปแบบต้องไปได้พอวางปุ๊บถ้าชั้นสี่เพราะชั้นสี่เคยวาง
Oh, they even got the small ones.
ตัวเคยตกนะอันนี้เพราะว่ามันไม่ได้
Here one looks interesting.
อยู่แล้วครับยุตั้งแต่ปุ๊บแล้วอันนี้ตัวหนักมากตอนหล่นไปที่ควรนะตัวหล่นควรถ้าชั้นสี่แกตัวนี้
Lots of Disney princesses. A couple hundreds in the
ทุกอ
back.
ย่างเซ็ตเขาไปแบบเด็กก็จริงๆถ่ายรูปสวยปุ๊บเห็นไหมทำแบบ
Think about
เรื่องอะไรอย่างเงี้ยสิ่งเอาอย่างเงี้ย
Maleficent.
แหวก
Excited to play with her new toy. Her Disney doppelganger. Look at her, she's like crazy to put it all together. So, Alright, so I just came back from Mega Plaza. I just showed you guys what you can get at Mega Plaza and all the great stuff in there. Now let's take a look at what I bought from Mega Plaza. Alright, this is the first set. It's a city set, obviously by Queen. Right. And here it is, a train set. It's got tracks. And it's got a remote, and it's RC. Oh, that's pretty cool. And let's take a look at the back. Oh. 7 speeds. Oh my god. It's got a receiver, a motor, a battery box. It's got everything. Right. And then the second one I got, which I'll show you in a second. Right here. Boom! This one is by King. King and Queen. That's ironic. The Simpsons set. Simpsons bootleg Lego set. Oh, look at that, so cool. It's got everything inside. Hopefully there's not rocks inside. Hopefully this is real. Hopefully there's real Lego bricks in here. I'm pretty sure there are. It's got everything. Oh, that's so cool. Look, there's Maggie throwing something into the toilet. Oh, that's Lisa's camera. Right. Oh, there's Bart reading Radioactive Man comic. Wow, and then the layout's all here. And it's got the car too, with the garage and escape ramp. Oh man, it's got everything. It's got Flanders in here. Why would he be inside the house? Oh, here's the garage. So cool. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Oh man, that's a lot of pieces. Look at that. Looks legit. I didn't buy a box of heavy rocks. Oh, here you go. It's got stickers too. Look at that. Damn, this book is thick. Oh, so many pages. 115 pages. And they're counting the back flap. Wow, this book is comprehensive. It's got the Simpsons characters in there. And here are the bricks. Let's check box fee. Alright, we got Legos in here. Alright, so it looks legit. Well, of course it's legit, they're all stores. If they weren't legit, they would be closed the next day. And then the Queen one, I'll open it later. Train set. So there you have it. If you're a fan of saving money on Legos, check out Mega Plaza in Bangkok. Until next time, peace.
Eyes glow like two fires, movement so graceful. Wildcat in the jungle with dangerous claws. Movement she anticipates, a sight is set on her.